Good evening. Here's a look at the week ahead for your weather for Southeast Louisiana and South Mississippi on Sunday, August 30th. From your National Weather Service New Orleans Baton Rouge office in Slidell, Louisiana, I'm meteorologist Tim Destry. The overview here. We have another wet day on Monday with more showers and thunderstorms occurring in most places. Most of us will see measurable rain again. Main concern could be some locally heavy rainfall and some lightning strikes, maybe gusty winds in some spots as well. We do get a much needed drier period though, Tuesday through Thursday, with high pressure building over us. But then we'll see those rain chances return for Friday and over the weekend. And that's with a frontal boundary actually dropping down into the mid to possibly deep south region, and also some tropical moisture returning from the east. We will be looking at some high heat index values for Monday and Tuesday, but then dropping off after that more than likely because of some slightly lower humidity that we'll see for Wednesday and Thursday. The tropics do remain somewhat active, and I'll show you what's out there that we're looking at. Nothing expected to threaten the northern Gulf Coast region over the next 5 days. So here is the tropical weather outlook for the next 5 days. The main system that we're going to be watching is a disturbance. It's basically a tropical wave with a broad area of low pressure over the eastern Caribbean Sea. There are favorable conditions for development, and a tropical depression is likely to form during the next day or two while the system moves westward at about 15 miles per hour through the Caribbean, generally towards the area from Central America to the Yucatan Peninsula. Still a long ways to go to watch this to see if it might get into maybe the very southern Gulf, but we'll have to wait and see on that. Other systems, not too much concern at this point. One that has a high chance of development off the southeast U.S. coast in the Atlantic, but that'll be heading northeast eventually into the open North Atlantic. And then a couple tropical waves moving, one off Africa and one out in the eastern Atlantic. Have a low potential for development at this time, but we'll be watching them. The max heat index for Monday and Tuesday. You can see values generally in the 100 to possibly up to about 108 in the southeast Louisiana, South Mississippi region. However, our neighbors to the west were really concerned in watching their heat index values as well because of the many areas that do not have power and all the recovery operations there. Unfortunately, they're going to be seeing those heat index values possibly pushing as high as 110 for the next couple days. Our 7-day forecast, this is for Baton Rouge and New Orleans, generally pretty similar, looking at pretty typical summertime, high temperatures in the lower 90s, possibly pushing mid-90s for a couple days in Baton Rouge there, Tuesday and Wednesday. Like I mentioned earlier, these rain chances about 70% on Monday, and then really dropping off for a few days through Thursday before these rain chances come back up again late in the week, heading into the weekend. And this is very similar forecast for Macomb and Gulfport, Mississippi. Our storm total rainfall forecast, our 7-day forecast rainfall valid tonight through Sunday. Most rainfall amounts over the next week will be less than 1 inch, with just about all of that falling on Monday and then Friday through Sunday. Of course, with thunderstorms, if they ever move slowly or repeat development in an area, can be higher than what these amounts indicate. So we always look out for locally heavier rainfall that could occur anytime in the summer. Just don't want to get your hopes up too much here, but I have some 6 to 10 day and beyond outlooks. Mainly these temperatures I wanted to show you. There's some pretty good indications with the models that a pretty strong push of cooler air, basically late summer, early fall type front that pushes below normal air with drier and cooler conditions spreading down through the Midwest, even into the mid-Mississippi and even lower Mississippi Valley. Not sure it'll make it all the way down to the coast here by September 9th. This is for September 5th through 9th. However, it'll be getting close. The thing is, it'll probably still trigger somewhat higher probabilities of above normal rainfall because of moisture that'll be lingering over us as that frontal boundary pushes in. However, going beyond a week into basically the second week in September, we're really looking at pretty good chances above, say, 50–60% probabilities for below normal temperatures during this period, indicating a pretty good signal for a fairly strong cold front to push through. And typically with those, you would see drying and below normal rainfall, and that's also what's indicated here through much of Louisiana into Mississippi as well. So that's pretty much all I had to talk about this evening. The summary of everything here. We have that one more wet day tomorrow, and then a little dry period, and then rain chances returning again late in the week. Be aware of some summer high heat index values for Monday and Tuesday, and we'll continue to watch the tropics for you here. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Remember, you can follow us at NWS New Orleans for both our Twitter and Facebook pages.